Welcome to this quick guide on how to change your high school information from your Facebook page using the Facebook app on your PC, especially with the new update. If you've noticed that your high school details are outdated or you simply want to update them, you're in the right place. Let's walk through the process step by step so you can get it done quickly and easily. First, open the Facebook app on your PC. Once it's up and running, look towards the top right corner of the screen where your profile photo is located. Click on your profile photo to enter your personal page. Now that you're on your page, you'll see several tabs and options. What you want to do next is find and click on the About section. This is where all your personal information, including your education details, is stored. Inside the About section, scroll down to find the Work and Education category. Click on it to open the full list of your educational background and work history. This section holds the information about your high school. Next, look next to your high school entry. You'll see 3 dots. This is the menu button for editing options. Click on these 3 dots to reveal a drop-down menu. From the options that appear, choose Edit School. This action will open a field where you can make the necessary changes to your high school name or details. After you've made your edits, don't forget to save your changes. Simply click the Save button, and your page will be updated with the new high school information. And that's it. In just a few easy steps, you've successfully changed your high school details on your Facebook page using the Facebook app on your PC with the latest update. Now you can keep your profile information accurate and up to date. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, be sure to check out more tips and tricks for managing your Facebook profile.